Okay, so we're making the bronze replacement bushing for this guy because he's half OD 3/8 ID, but he's 0.82, and I can only get 0.75. So we drilled and bored our stock, and this is 375. That's 376. And it's got a little bit of a seal going there, which is kind of what I want. So it's got a pretty good fit. So it'll wear in a little bit too. You can see it's got a pretty good fit there. So we're good there. That's the blank for the Atlas change mechanism for the power feed. And then we gotta take the rest of this shoulder down to 0.5, leave a flange here, and then part it off. And then we'll have a replacement bushing. I just have to drive it into the shell of the change power feed changeover unit. And I think it's coming along pretty good. Pretty wasteful of stock. I have a smaller piece of stock, but it's I don't have the right collet for it, so I just kind of said meh. I could have thrown it in the 3 jaw, but I didn't feel like it. So we're just going with the C5. So that's it for now. Hopefully we'll have this done in a few minutes here.